You are watching Don Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Yamaha R15M custom made lowering kit installation and review. If you see, this is an stock height of the bike. This comes with 810 mm height from ground to seat height. This feel very uncomfortable for short riders when in traffic. When in small street they need to take reverse, and these have too much of ground clearance when comparing to lowering kit. This bike is awesome bike in track, but in street it's little bit uncomfortable to drive in traffic in small streets. Okay, let's check it out. Installing 10 mm lowering kit on this bike. Okay. Now install the 10 mm lowering kit on this bike. This will make 10 mm height reduced from ground to seat height. So the bike height will be 805 mm. When comparing to stock, 10 mm will be minused. Now check this out, how much of height will be reduced and how much of the foot will touch the ground. How much this comfortable feel the customers and then rider. When comparing to stock, it's better. When taking reverse, it is better and too much of grip to foot and then road. 10 mm is better for this bike R15M model, but we need to check this out, the ground clearance and in gap between the tires and then shock absorber and then chassis. The height will be good, no more issues in height and overload on this bike, no more hitting sounds came from this bike. The cushioning will be softer and much comfortable, no hittings, no touching. It's better for 10 mm. The load of above 100 plus kg for 10 mm is better. Let's check it out. You are a short person uncomfortable to ride your dream bikes? No worry. Down Performance Engineering helps you. The lowering kit. It will reduce the bike height to 10 mm, 20 mm. It's a custom made lowering kit. Available in 304 stainless steel and 316 stainless steel. 10 mm to 40 mm available. In speed breaker, we need to check the ground clearance and any more problem happens. For 10 mm lowering kit on R15M is better, but due to overweight some issues happen. Okay. When speed, some that catalytic converter guard will be hitting on the shock absorber. So let's check it out, the intermediate kit. Intermediate is an intermediate between stock and 10 mm lowering kit. That will be height will be comparing to stock and 10 mm it's medium. That's intermediate. That's you make you feel like a stock one, but comparing to 10 mm it's too much of height increase. When comparing to stock, a little bit height reduced. So no more problem happen on speed breaker and any loads. And then ground clearance also too much reduced. When comparing to stock height, it's okay, it's manageable to in traffic and in streets we can take reverse position in bike. The grip between the foot and the ground will be better when comparing to intermediate, and due to passengers load, heavy much of load, no issues happen on speed brake and the wheel tire. Okay, let's check it out with this intermediate kit on road, because we need to check this out in any condition. Intermediate kit also good, but we need to check the due to overload or any pillion seat person heavy load, the shock absorber will be compressed and then gap between tires and the chassis will be reduced. So that kind of time what happen mean we can go on speed brake, some issues happen like the tire will touch on that chassis. Okay, let's check it out with intermediate kit on speed brake. With the speed of 40 km/h, not issues happen. Okay, let's check it out with load. At the same speed of 40 kilometers per hour with load of pillion seat 60 kg. No issues happen. You see the raw video of an wheel and this is. I think it's better. No more issues happen. I thought it's good. Okay. If you have any doubts about this lowering kit, please check it out on our FB text, or you can check it out on comment section on YouTube, or you can chat directly with scan this QR code. You can go through this scan and you can directly text it on our WhatsApp group. Thank you, friends.